no muyega hunyara ko bahagukora wa muno mugavana we county ya Nyamira Moske Amos Kimomenya Libo baraibande nseje serikali yaye unabonabo waziri aba chief officer muna baraibande kurwa sechi nsagya auche serikali ya county ya Nyamira.
And what he does with you is we know people who are top and they lived in the past. Anasema shule mimi ndio nilikuwa naongoza. Shule mimi nilikuwa na then unamuuliza then what happened? Ati mimi ndio nilikuwa nafundisha fulani hesabu. Yes, hatujakataa. Then what happened?
Kuyigoyiga obere gukora wasama tukatatu nigo obere gukubekera abana chinsio na kubaho moyo azichisemi na nene abana abega bakonyoro gusiro kurwa sechi besa che serikali ya county inseje scholarship ya chagati wamo no mugavana we county ya Moske Amos Kimomenya Libo.
That's why recently we got a debate about bursary and scholarship. But my argument and others' argument is scholarship is not only an education affair. It's a social welfare affair. Because if you have your brothers or your brother's sons who are not going to school because of money, then it becomes a social issue.
Nikonya liba gendra ko bago twabuna nigo barat kunyara ko bako gendra komenta murubyo yiga kunyara ko bago kobo uyubo konya ujase abana abiga nga nonya bakolire ogotemwa kwabo we class kiriye 12.
Those ones who are not able, then we come in to assist. We want this project to continue forever and ever. I remember there was a time banks were not lending money to people.
Ngana yabage gotogwamo na abanga wekera na somoro biliga igati abo abalimu amo na baraikuru se serikali ya county ya Nyamira.
So learning from you, we are learning from him as a father. He's our father, he's our president in our county. So pray for him. That is the bottom line. So
Rubili yiga nigo onyare ko bago gwika ase class ke 12 bono rubili chagetiwe amono mugavana we county ya Nyamira asaba na abega bachunyara ko bakorogote mu kumwa kujiga worokirie